Hi everyone, this video is an introduction to crystals. If you listen to any of my other videos, you know that I refer to crystals a lot, so I wanted to explain a bit more in a standalone video. In spiritual work, crystals are stones, gems and minerals in their raw state, regardless of whether they have a crystalline structure. In science, the definition of a crystal is a solid substance whose atoms have an orderly repeating pattern, such as diamond, quartz, and salt. So this is why quartz is used in computer software and watches. It emits a very regular frequency. Okay, how do crystals work? The main concept with crystals is entrainment. This is when two items with a different frequency, when they're brought together, the lower frequency item will rise to match the higher frequency. So when you bring a crystal into your energy field, your frequency will align to the crystals, and the assumption is that crystals have a higher frequency than we do, so it will lift us up. Different crystals resonate at different frequencies, and you will be intuitively drawn to the one that you need at a particular point in time. Okay, working with crystals. First, you need to cleanse crystals if you pick them up to work with or get them new. This can be done with water, salt or salt water, even just your intention, sunlight, moonlight, particularly for white crystals, they like the moonlight, or rock, placing them on a rock. So once the crystal is cleansed and clear, you activate the crystal by asking it to work with you for the highest good. Once it's activated, then you tune into your crystal. Hold it, sense its frequency and energy and what it's saying to you. So you can use crystals to nurture specific qualities by wearing them or placing them in your space, like citrine, which is yellow for the solar plexus chakra, willpower for confidence. If you want more of that, you'd use citrine. Rose quartz would be used for love and compassion. You can use crystals when you meditate. You can put one under your pillow, and you can also put them in water. I wouldn't drink the water, but the water will be infused with the crystal energy, and you can put it in a spray bottle, and it's really good for clearing energies in rooms. Okay, which crystals should I use? This is, if you're just starting out, the crystals I'd recommend, but there's loads to choose from, and pick what's right for you. It's good to have some white crystals, such as clear quartz or selenite, which you often see in a wand shape. These are for intuition and connection to spirit. Also good to have at least one black crystal, such as black obsidian, black tourmaline, or shungite. Black crystals protect and absorb negative energies. Then I look to the chakra system from yoga. So these are the 7 chakras, energy centers along the spine that correspond to the colors of the rainbow. And I think it's good to have a crystal from each color. You can put them on the chakra center for balancing. So the ones I use, others are available, but the ones I use are red jasper for the base chakra, carnelian for the sacral chakra, citrine for solar plexus, rose quartz, I know it's pink, but you can use it for the heart chakra, or any green crystals such as jade, jasper, green aventurine is nice here as well. Throat chakra, all about communication. I use blue lace agate. You could use lapis lazuli. Third eye is purple, dark purple. I use amethyst. Crown chakra is violet, so light purple or white. I tend to use a clear quartz here or a selenite. And up here, I've done another little guide to some of the qualities of some popular crystals. Smoky quartz is a good one for rebalancing and resetting, like pressing a reset button. So if you're feeling a bit off center, just hold on to it to reset. Okay, so if you want to do some further reading and research into crystals, a great resource to start with are any books by Judy Hall. These are some quotes from one of her books. Crystals are alive, they have sentience and knowing. And if you honor this and respect their knowledge, they will work even harder for you in return. And the more you talk to your crystals, the more they respond to you. So thank you for listening and enjoy your work with crystals.